bang. That's the noise of my hanger being banged around by the wind. It's just too much, and I'm just not going to do it right now. We'll just narrate after the fact. Well, today we're going to do a couple things. We're going to cover the wheels up, make them look nice and pretty, but before we do that, we've got to do some work here. I've got to put some new bearings in the wheels because they've just gotten too terrible. Let's get to it. Bicycle wheel bearings, not real great. I really should come up with some kind of solid bearing here, but the truth of the matter is these things are about $1 a piece, so I just replace them about every year. I didn't show the video for this, but I've got a little bit of Weldman's glue here. It's around the center, and that's it. This is pretty much the same technique as if you were using actual aircraft glue. This hole's got to be big enough for this to fit in and be able to manipulate around. I found that just making it to where it's halfway between the two works out just about right. Patch and reinforcement, we're going to use actual aircraft glue. Actually using the right stuff. Since I'm done flight testing, we'll just use this for our masking.